Few people are coming to the museum now. Few and a few are easy to confuse, so I created this lesson for my private English students here in Japan. I even used this lesson with one of my high school classes. I'm sure it can help you too. Few is used two ways. Number one, few means not many. There are few people in this restaurant. This means that there are not many people in this restaurant. Number two, few can be used to show how low a quantity there is of something. In junior high school, Jerry had few friends. This means Jerry didn't have many friends. Few stresses the fact that the number of friends Jerry had was low. A few means some, or two or three. There are a few foreigners working in my company. One of them is German. This means that some foreigners work in the same company as me. Few and a few. Some natural examples. Few. I like to study in a cafe. It's comfortable, and there are few distractions. The company bought lots of food for the picnic, but most of it was wasted. Few employees actually came to the park. This means a very low number of people came to the picnic. A few. I've been studying for a few hours. Time for a break. I tried skiing a few times, but I wasn't very good at it. This means I tried skiing 2 or 3 times. I drank a few cups of coffee, so now I'm wide awake. This means I drank 2 or 3 cups of coffee. The phrase wide awake means very awake. It is the opposite of sleepy. Few grammar. As an adjective, few can be used in its comparison form, fewer. Fewer children are playing outside these days. This means now compared to before. It's common to say fewer and fewer if we talk about a quantity that is getting smaller in amount. The number of something is getting lower. Since the movie theater on Main Street raised its prices, fewer and fewer people are going there. The number of people going to the movie theater is getting smaller. A lower number of people are going there. Weather grammar. The next few days. Weather forecasts will often tell you the weather conditions you can expect using the phrase the next few days. This phrase is similar to a few days, even though there is no a. We can expect temperatures below 5 degrees over the next few days. For today and the next 2 or 3 days, it will be cold. Expression with few. Few and far between. Few and far between means rare, not happening or appearing often. I studied French, but I lived in Toronto, so my chances to speak French were few and far between. It was rare to have a chance to speak French in Toronto. My first high school teacher was very kind and thoughtful. He really cared about his students. In my experience, teachers like that are few and far between. This means teachers of that quality are rare. They don't appear often. News headlines with few and a few from websites around the world. This list is from my blog post, so this news is from January 4th, 2020. Thailand charges towards an electric car future with a few speed bumps. In this headline, speed bumps means problems or difficulties. Thailand is moving forward with plans to have more electric cars with some difficulties. Few countries are on track to meet Paris climate goals. On track is a phrase that means following a plan or direction that is likely to succeed, to achieve one's goals. This means not many countries will achieve the goals set at the Paris Climate Agreement. Remember that this is a news headline, so it is missing some grammar. We would say few countries are on track to meet the Paris climate goals. View my blog post for more study. You can find the blog link in the description of this video. Join my newsletter family and get my 32-page ebook, 5 Simple English Communication Tips, free. And get access to many great English PDF downloads, plus English in your inbox every week. Join my English newsletter by clicking here. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and have a great day.